Hey guys, General for FX here, and today I'll be showing you the strategy how we made 21k trading the forex market. One thing that is unique about me is showing my students and everyone my losses, my wins. I will made bucks, I will made losses, and all that. And if you go down there in our YouTube channel, you'll see where I was talking about making about $300 daily, where I said come back to this channel, you'll see we'll be making more. And there we have it, we made 21k, and I'm going to be breaking it down step by step how we did this.
Before we go ahead, guys, kindly click on that subscribe button, like this video, and please comment your views so that I can come back and answer every of your questions and everything. Thank you. Let's go.
Actually, we were supposed to make 10k, but when it's your win, it's your win. Let's get to it. All right, so it was on AUD USD right here, as you can see, and uh plot it out. Let's just the chart is already naked, so I'm going to just show you my key levels, the key areas I'm looking at, and go from there. All right, as you can see in that my MT5 interface right there, we took our entry somewhere here, and I'm going to quickly show you, and we held from here to around here. To around here. All right, so first thing I usually use, I like using to around here. So one thing I like using my EMA 21 moving average, because I like to trade when I'm in my trade. I like to see it as a support cluster going up or down. So I just when I see it, price is still below it, I have this confidence. Okay, price can still move forward and all that. But keep in mind that you will have your entry, your exit rules, and your trading plan and all that. It's just a tool that I use when the price when I'm in the trade already and the price is already softened down. I want to know what is stake on it, and if I see the price begins to consolidate on this uh EMA, I try to get out. I know that I'll just leave the trade. So let's get to it. All right, quickly. My key area here, we took the trade somewhere here. Let's quickly go to 1 hour time frame right here. Yep. All right. So in this area, there's a key area in this area where price market touch this area where above, as you can see, price was on the move to the upside, and in this area price came down again, tried to move to the upside there, but it could not rise above this previous area right here. So um price tanked to the downside, and giving us this probability for short. So after I saw that price was rising to the upside above on top of this EMA, and I see price coming down below it, coming above, and giving me the uncertainty, I feel like, oh, price might want to change. And also my second confirmation is the market structure, where price refused to create another higher high above this area, right here. Yeah. So instead price tanked to the downside, giving us this market structure right here, and as you can see, it looks as if a downtrend is starting to begin in that area. So that is why I was biased on a short. Now price came down to this area. Let me zoom in so you can see. All right, so in this area right here, price came pushed down to this area right here, pushed down to this area, and price created an imbalance, a lot of imbalance in this area. So I was actually waiting for price to come back to this order block right here. Yeah, I was actually waiting on price to come back to the order block there, or any of this imbalance fair value gap there. If you want to learn about imbalance, we have a video down there in our uh on our YouTube. Go there and get educated. All right, so price came down to this level, and this area right here, I was looking for price to come back to this area, as you can see. So this was the imbalance area. This is another imbalance area, right? But I was actually waiting on price to get to this area to get that shot, but price didn't get to that area. Instead, it came to this area right there, gave us this bearish engulfing, and I was not really okay with that. But price actually, no, as you can see with this huge ass candle, rose up to this area again, and in this area I was waiting for price to come back to this area, but price never did, and price came down here, and this was my point of entry. Yeah, right here. So in this area I saw a lot of this rejection here on this 1 hour time frame. I went down to the 15 minutes time frame to understand, oh, what is going on here, as you can see. And so let me zoom in so you can see properly. All right, cool. As you can see, price refused to get to that order block right there, up there, and price came up to this area. As you can see, there's this area right here, and on the 1 hour 30 minutes time frame, there are imbalance, there are fair value gap areas there, and price came there, came down, pushed down like this, came up again and gave us this double top. And just like the explanation on the 1 hour time frame, price didn't break above here, this area, market structure here, this market structure area, and price came down again, giving us this confirmation of these higher highs and higher lows right there, higher highs, higher lows, higher lows. So this was actually my point of entry on the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, it's after the close of this candle right there, I was certain that, oh yeah, I've seen this confirmation that I'm looking for after this double top, and price giving me that same thing on the 1 hour time frame. If you have been listening, you see the same thing, same vibes, right? Same downtrend vibes right there. And so this was how we took our trade, and the reason why we held that long, actually, in all honesty, we didn't actually plan on holding that long. Actually, this was when we took our entry from that area right here, and our stop loss was somewhere above this area right here. I think it was 22 pips right there. Yeah, 22 pips. And we was looking at this key area here, this area, because price, no, this area was an area of this area where price moved. Yeah, I felt like price will react to that area right there, and actually this was the first area we were looking at. Yeah, this area right here. But when I went to the 1 hour time frame, I was open and waiting on a candlestick confirmation to show me, oh, we are bullish on this area, the buyers are in on this area. But it never came in this area. You see it right there. I also went to the 30 minutes time frame. There was no confirmation on longs or price changing course. So on this area right here, on this other key zone here, on this key zone here, you see price came to this area and was uh kind of coming up to the upside, and that's why you see up there on our on our trade there, we put our stop loss right there on our, after we secured profits, we put our stop loss right there. But I was still having this confirmation because my EMA was still above it, so I was still okay. Let's just see and give it a benefit of doubt. It has happened a lot. That's why you need to have a trading plan. You need to know what you're looking at. First of all, in this strategy, you see I use market structure a lot. All right, market structure a lot. That is one thing. What am I looking for? I'm looking for price to go like this and do not create another higher highs and give me something I can work with to sell in this area. Right, that's all I'm looking for, and vice versa like that. Right, vice versa like that. So vice versa if you're looking for longs like that. So price still came down to this level right here, and this was the area where we took our profits. This area right here, this area right here, that's where we took our profits. So that's how we made 20k. Actually, we should have just closed out in this area if we got that confirmation right there, but for some reasons we didn't close. So yeah, would have made 10k, yeah, but I guess it's a win day. It's a win day. Alright, so kindly click on that subscribe button. Please like and comment and ask questions so I can reply you. Peace and love.